Hello, good morning, everyone. It's really a pleasure to, start the much-awaited Pack Impression, which is a global virtual printing and packaging expo, which is being conducted here by us, the Last Mile Solutions. I would like right now to kickstart this event with the opening session from Mr. Atul Maheshwari, who is the Chief Executive Officer of Last Mile Solutions. And he will give a brief overview about the whole objective and the inspiration behind this event. I would welcome Atul. Please take over from me. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Very good morning. It is my pleasure to declare open Pack Impressions. It's open now. This is the first global virtual packaging and printing expo. In fact, as we know, normal travel and the people's movement has gone out of the gear completely. And in such times, we have decided to take this initiative. This is a unique initiative in the times of COVID. And I mean, that's what we thought, that because this time is such that people are feeling to connect in a newer way, and there are a lot of things that they need to exchange and they need to figure out. So there has to be an initiative. So that's why this initiative, Pack Impressions. Okay, I welcome everybody, all participants from all over the world who have taken pain and decided to join us, and we really appreciate that support from everyone. All the participants are here to exchange their experiences, what they have taken not only over the years but actually especially in last 4 to 5 months. That's one of the most that's the most important experiences that we are taking, all of us these days, and which is changing our lives in many other ways. Just to give you an overview, the participants that we are going to have are almost from 30 plus countries. Okay, there are going to be many thousands as we speak. I mean, more than 1,200 people are live watching this, and there has been more than 12,500 plus pre-registrations till yesterday, and we expect many other thousands to come and join us and participate and support us. This expo brings the packaging companies, brands, OEMs, design agencies, and various other institutions together on one platform. And this is like this is like a near to real expo that you can experience. It is not a regular webinar connecting each other, but then there are multiple experiences. So once you visit the exhibition hall, then you get to realize that what it is. Then the conference setting is also in a very different setup that is being organized, and I think this is going to help each other to connect in a delightful manner and share experiences. The fact that COVID-19 pandemic has dramatically changed and reshaped the packaging needs also. As we pass through this great public health and economic crisis world over, we expect packaging design and material usage change in fundamental ways. As we understand also from the brand's perspective, they will have 3 major requirements while deciding on packaging, henceforth. The first would definitely be sustainability. The second would be hygiene, keeping in mind the consumer safety concerns, and the e-commerce worthiness. These are the 3 aspects that various studies have been highlighting. And the conference discussions, are going to concentrate on these 3 mega trends, through various discussions, individual deliveries and things like that. So going forward, you will see that there are going to be whole conference is going to be divided into 3 sections. One, we are going to discuss new normal challenges in the post-COVID area with respect to safety in packaging across categories. It is not the food anymore which was so concerned. I mean, it is every category now, which is concerned about the safety in packaging, and then innovation in packaging in the times of COVID. What are the innovations in materials? What are the innovations in ink? What are the innovations in processes? And a lot of other areas. Then importance of packaging solution in marketing mix. How can we forget that? Because marketing, especially in the consumer industry, is the most important factor, and packaging is one of the most important P in the whole marketing, game. So these are the three broad areas which the conference discussions are going to concentrate on. Okay, as the experts during the interactive session shall outline the industry's effort, to bring forth the importance of keeping pace with evolving global and local regulatory compliances, and constant need to have an innovative approach towards packaging across categories, along with the consumer safety concerns these days. So, now going forward, and before I make a closing remark, I would like to give a little glimpse about the format also. I mean, this platform not only gives the opportunity to come together and debate and discuss, as the conference goes on. The another section is the exhibition section, where all our exhibitor partners are going to present their new ideas, new capabilities, the new products and solutions that they're bringing forth. And then I mean, there are various ways of chatting up and connecting with them, and demonstrating products. So that's another way. But before I make a closing remark, I would like to extend my special thanks to few gentlemen. First of them being Dhananjay, as we know him, DJ, then Mr. Jacob George, and then Mr. Ajay Agrawal. They all come from different sections of the industry, but they have really not only been the moral support of putting this show together, but they have connected us, various individuals also who have been, brought on board from the conference point of view, and they've really helped. So my sincere thanks to that. My another sincere thanks goes to the entire concept team, the Dreamcast team, and the Last Mile team. They have really put together, a lot of efforts in order to bring this up. And before I turn the conference to the chairman of the the first session that we have, which is from Australian Institute of Packaging, I would like to wish all the best to every participant. It's been a great effort from our side, and I'm sure there are going to be thousands and thousands of people who are going to join us, and there will be definitely a lot of sales leads from the business point of view for a lot of exhibitors. And then there are going to be a lot of great minds. Those a lot of us, I keep talking to so many people, and then they say that they have not heard so many of them. So it's a great pleasure for all of us to have our eminent panelists and listen to them, and definitely I expect that this weekend is going to be very, very delightful and stimulating week for everyone. Thank you so much, and I welcome once again, and please enjoy it and give us feedback so that we can work towards improving it further. Thank you so much.